Hi guys, it's me, Callie, cousin Hope. Go subscribe to her. Today we're going bowling. We'll see you when we get there. Hey guys, so now we're here. We have our bowling shoes. So does Hope, and now we're gonna go bowling. Sophie's here, and she's gonna bowl with us, and Bailey, someone else. Sophie named me Pabo, which means stupid. Cause you're me.
Is it my turn?
Your turn. Yeah, it says Hope first.
Wait.
Go. Ooh, that was really good. Woo! Whoa, that was good.
It's a good
High five. Hope is beating me. She's just a savage.
Yo, Bailey's good. And she,
Whoa! Oh my gosh! And she said she wasn't good, but she's like so good.
Back.
Come on, Sophie! Woo! Strike! Oh my gosh! 9! Probably not gonna show all of it, but I'll show you guys the end because we were competing with Jesse and their team and Levi and their team. At the end, I'll show you guys who won. Hope. That was good. Woo! Girls are gonna win. Comment down below who you think is gonna win, the boys or the girls. Okay, so our team name is the Chicken Nuggets, and they're the Blue Jays right there. And we're gonna win. Getting the team. Come on, Sophie! Woo! No, Jesse, stop! Stop being good. Oh, strike! Woo!
No!
High five. There's a person in there. Yeah, but look, not in our row, but in the boys' row, there's a person. Look at their feet. Yes, Hope. Yes! Woo!
This is my team, right?
Sophie! Sophie! Woo! Get it? Sophie's on a roll. Puns. Okay, we get a strike. Whoa! Oh! Do a split. Oh, woo! That was good. Yes! Yes!
Oh my god.
Yes! Oh! Her voice is losing. Yeah, be in it.
How do you channel? What's your channel's name?
Coffee Callie.
Oh, that's cute.
Thank you.
Right.
One new subscriber.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and click the notification bell.
Thank you. Yes, do that.
Lost my voice.
And subscribe to Cousin Hope.
Bravo.
Yes.
To the right.
Yes. Woo! That was so good. Woo! Strike! This is like your third. Yes!
I told you it's the second time after I do a split.
It's what, Sophie?
It's glitter, not gutter.
Yes! Yes! Oh! Oh! You got! Woo! That is friendship. Oh, and here we are, and here we are, and we get, woo! And we get a spare. Let's roll.
Yeah.
Yes!
Hey.
Woo! That was so good. Yes!
Oh, yes.
Yes!
The iconic
Yes! Yes! What? It was like, woo!
Just for the last screen.
Yeah, yeah. feel? It's the first bowl of the second game. How do you feel?
I don't know.
Bravo, it's your turn.
You're doing really well, Callie.
Thanks. Oh, I think you're doing better. Me too.
Whoa!
Oh! 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 You!
It seems pretty clean as far as holding. The other one I went to, it's like have you been to the one that's where the arcade is at Four Seasons? Dang, I need to go there. I've always wanted to go.
The last shot of the last round, last game. Come on, Hope. Yes. Yes. Woo! Yes. We love a good throw. Yes. Woo, that was good. That was a great last shot. How do you feel?
I feel great.
That's good. The last bowl. And. Yes, we love that. Yes, bae. Yay! Glitter! Yes, Sophie! The last roll! Woo! That was good! Get this. Yes! Oh, I'm not going anywhere. Now we have to add up the points to see if we beat the boys. Oh, beat the... Are we?
We definitely won.
Okay, me too. Hey guys, so now we finished bowling. We finished 2 games and we won both. The chicken nuggets for life. The chicken nuggets won both games, the average at least. And and now we're just quoting vines. So what are you doing in my chocolate?
Grab my shirt, grab my shirt. Grandfather's shirt,
Now it might go to Chipotle. I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need ya, but every touch is ooh la la la. Chipotle is my life. It's cool in here. You guys, we're at Chipotle. This is what I got. It's chicken bowl, some hot sauce. There's Hope. She got food. Sophie, say hi to the vlog.
I'm sharing.
That's not what I said. Say hi to the vlog, guys. Might be going to Starbucks afterwards. Say hi. Peppo, what are you doing in her drink?
Oh. Hi. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say.
We're done at Starbucks and we're going
Callie didn't even get
for the video. If you liked it, give it a humongous thumbs up.
and subscribe.
Make sure, yeah, comment and
Subscribe to that Coffee Callie.